it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you guys a quick recipe that is great for breakfast, especially if you're always on the go in the morning and you don't have time to actually cook anything. So this recipe is a birthday cake overnight oatmeal recipe. So what we're basically going to do is combine some oatmeal and ingredients together, put it in a mason jar the night before you're going to be eating this, put it in the refrigerator, and then let everything soak overnight, and then you have breakfast the next morning. So for this recipe, we're going to be using the raw oatmeal. Now you can use any oatmeal, but I find that this particular brand helps to absorb the water or the liquid that we're going to be using. And but you can use any oatmeal that you want. So we're going to use for this recipe 1 cup of oatmeal, and then I'm using 1 cup of coconut milk, but any non-dairy milk would be fine for this. We're also going to be using 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, and I'm using the Sun Warrior for this recipe, but you can use any type of plant-based protein that you have on hand. This is what gives it the cake batter type of taste to it. And then it's also nice to add a little protein to your breakfast. It helps you stay full a little bit longer. And to this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then with the vanilla protein powder, it's pretty sweet already, but if you want to add a little bit more sweetener, you can add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Okay, so I have actually some oatmeal here that is already prepared, that's been sitting in the fridge. And I just want to show you guys how it nicely just absorbs all the liquid and it's ready to go. So it hardly takes any prep time, maybe 5 minutes to just stir everything together. And then when you wake up, you can just eat it and be on your way. And it's really delicious. Like I said, it tastes like a birthday cake because it's super sweet, and the vanilla really gives it that nice vanilla cake taste to it. So you can find the full recipe at my website, purelivingnutrition.com, and let me know if you've enjoyed this recipe and if you like it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more healthy plant-based recipe videos, and I will be coming up shortly with a what I eat in a day video as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.